So guys, in this section we will be seeing about the file upload vulnerabilities, and I am in the TryHackMe logged in as a user. So this, I think this is the perfect room for showing you about this file upload vulnerabilities. So this is the IP address of the machine 10.10.63.218, and to do the exercises, what you need to do is you need to edit the host file in your Kali Linux box. So enter like this sudo nano etc host. So etc host is like a local, it acts as a local DNS phone book, so you can map the IP addresses to the domain names. So first this file will be searched by the and you will get the IP website. So the one web server can host two or one or more websites. So in that case we can find all of that using the vhost fuzzing. So after finding the subdomains, you can just add the IP address and the subdomains here in this host file. So they have already given all the subdomains, that is here. If you go to this introduction, they will override existing files. Okay, I don't know, getting started, yes. So here they have given you this direct command, so you can just execute this one and this line will be automatically added to your host file. So I have already done that, you can see here. So let's go and let's first do this overwriting existing files. So there is already file and you have the permission to replace that file. So sometimes there will be no authorization there, that's why you can overwrite any file. So that should be carefully, there should be some authorization before you want to overwrite the file. So let's go to this overwrite.upload_thm, and what we're going to do is, here there is already a picture called mountains.jpg, and what we're going to do is we are going to you can also direct brute force this one. So let's go and select the file, and all you need to do is, let's say nano, let's say touch mountains.jpg. And here you can see there is this images/mountains.jpg. So normally this directory should be only readable, because the mountains.jpg can be used in any of the other website directory. So it's like a background image and you cannot change this to any other image. So let's go and select this. And select this mountains.jpg and click on upload. And upon upload, you can see here, well done, you overwrote the file. So if you, I think if you go to this mountains.jpg, we get the error because it's not the correct image file. We have just placed some blank image file. So this authorization permissions need to be changed to only read only for this directory. So this is the simple file upload. Now we will be seeing the how to get the code execution. So here they did not explain directory. So we can just go to the shell.upload_thm. So you need to find the backend programming language like PHP or ASP.NET, etc. So select the file. So what we are going to do is, first we need to see the source code to find any of the any identifiers to identify the backend programming language. So you can also use this tool called Vaporizer, that is Chrome extension. So here we do not have any other information about any programming language, but here they have told us to upload the PHP one. Also what you can do is you can say slash index dot let's say ASP, and you can see the URL was not found. So what you can do is you can say PHP, and you can see the index page. So what you can do is you can brute force this one, index.php, index.asp, index.aspx, etc. So all that. So you can also try for JSP. So you get the not found. So all you can do is you can just simply brute force this one, index dot the placeholder. So let's intercept on, and what we are going to do is so click on enter. Now you will get the get request. So what you are going to do is say index dot and send this to repeater, and also send this to intruder. So forward this request, turn off intercept, and in intruder what we are going to do is we are going to add the placeholder. Let's say index dot ASP. So select these three letters and click on placeholder. So this placeholder will be added, and what we are going to do is we need to add the extensions ASP, ASPX, PHP, JSP, HTML, PHTML. So you can also search for Chris extensions. So if you search like this, and you will get all of these extensions. So click on draw and copy this URL, and you can get this text file. So here the problem is they have this dot before these file names, extension names. So you can also pretty much add this. So copy all of these, so it will be very easy for automating. So paste here, and you can just clear and paste again, because all of the payloads are in the word list. Now we need to remove the placeholder. You need to add this dot as the placeholder also, because our payloads contain one dot, and what you need to do is uncheck this URL encode. So if our payload contains any of these special characters, they get encoded. So since our payload contains this dot, so that means this can be encoded and sent to the server. So we do not want that, and what you need to do is click on start attack. So after starting attack, all of these extensions will be pressed, and you will get this 404 status. We can filter using for status or the length. So you can see here for first one, for the PHP, we got the 200 status, and the response says OK response. So that is 200, and you can see for remaining others, we got request URL was not found on the server. And for the PHPS, we got some forbidden, not authorized. So you can stop this attack. We got the successful extension. So that means the backend is using the PHP. So what you need to do is, so you can write simple PHP reversal, or like just get the code execution. Let's say PHP rce.php. PHP system of $_get of C. So this C variable will be sent in the URL, and the value of the C variable gets executed as a system command. So save this. Let's view our payload again. So this is our payload. So what you can do is you can select the file and go to this and select the php rc.php. Also let's see the capture request. So upload, and let's see this, and you can see the name is equals to file to upload. So this button, the name of this button tag is the file to upload. So you can see this is the file to upload, and the name of the file to be saved as phprc.php. So you can change this here as well. You can say it as test.php. So you can see content type as application slash xphp. So what I can do is content type. So you can search for content type and ASP. So you can go to this Stack Overflow and you can see. So these are the different I think. So text slash ASP. So this is for ASP. So that's how you find the content type for that appropriate file type. And you can see this is our actual payload. And if I forward this one, and it says file uploaded successfully. Now what we need to do is we need to first this website to view the images directory. In the source code we do not have any images directory. So let's go and first this URL slash first. I'm using the small.txt and hit enter. And resources, so resources assets. So let's go to resources, and you can see there is our phprc.php. So you can stop this one. We got the thing we required, and if you go to this, you will see empty because we are not giving any command to execute. So you can put the question mark and c is equals to who am I, and you can see we got the code execution. So what they are going to ask is, so we need to get the flag from where www directory. So let's go and fetch the flag also. And we got the flag. And also let's see the reversal. So we can get the comfort reversal. We need to search for the backend software that is installed. Whether first let's go to the reversal pentest monkey, and if you go to this website, here we will have all the code for reversal. So getting the command execution and sending back the output in bash, perl, python, etc. So easy way to do is to know the python or not. So python, so there is no python. Now search for python 3. Okay, there is no python 3. So let's search for perl. Which perl? So there is a perl, and what you can do is you can copy this perl script. You can also use this bash, but always resort to this bash reversal as the last option because these are very comfortable. And let's say rev.pl, sorry, nano rev.pl, and paste this, save this, cat rev.pl, and we need to put the IP address of a track machine of my Kali Linux, and we need to edit the IP address and the port number. So let's say IP address. So what you need to do is just copy all this payload, and let's start the listener using netcat listen on localhost on the port 1234. So 0000, that means we are listening on all interfaces. Let's change this switch perl to paste this perl reversal and hit enter. Okay, we did not get anything. So let's just copy this bash one and change the port to 1234. So we're not getting on the port 1234. Let's try for 8080. Okay, 8080 is being used by the burp suite. So let's say port 80. Port 80 is also being used. I don't think these I think we can get the reverser. I don't know why we are failing. So let's see the nodes what they have given. So 1234 should do it, but on 1234 we are not getting the shell. So let's go and try PHP reverse shell. So I have already downloaded this PHP reverse shell from GitHub. So all you need to do is change this IP address and the port number. So change this IP address and port number 1234, and let's listen on the port 1234, and let's upload the file again. So uploaded successfully, and upon executing this we should get the shell. Who am I? And we can upgrade this to, so there is no Python, sorry, and we can also go and view the source code, cat index.php. So here you can see here file to upload and resources. So this directory is the file automatically is throwing into resources folder. So okay, so that's how you get code execution for the unprotected file upload vulnerability. So this uploaded file, the content and the name and the extension should be very carefully inspected.